Hello and welcome to this body scan meditation. This meditation is about relieving any stress that may have gathered in your body, in your muscles, and in your mind. So what you're going to do is find a comfortable place where you can either lay down or sit down, and go ahead and take in a deep breath in through your nostrils and out through your mouth. And when you breathe in, try to breathe in as much as you can, as much air as you can, without straining, and gently breathe out through your mouth. And you're going to be do this 4 times. So go ahead and breathe in as much air as you can, and gently exhale through your mouth. And inhale through your nose. Exhale through your mouth. Inhale through your nose. And exhale through your mouth. Last inhale. And go ahead and exhale. Now that you are more relaxed, what I want you to do is you're going to focus on the point right between your eyebrows, on really feeling this place. You notice that simply by putting your awareness onto this place, you're going to be feeling it even more. Now, what I want you to do with this awareness is wherever I tell you to put it onto your body, you are going to be releasing any tension that might be, any stress that might be in your muscles. So go ahead and release any tension that might be in your face, around your eyes, and go ahead and release the tension in your jaw. Releasing all the stress. Now moving down into your neck muscles, releasing all tension. And moving into your shoulders, any stress here you are now letting go of. Now moving down both sides of your arms, your biceps and triceps, your forearms, your hands, fingers. You feel them become more relaxed, loose, and at ease. Now moving over to your chest, you feel this area becoming released, at ease. And for every breath you take, Your body is sinking deeper and deeper into rest and into the bed. Now move down into your stomach, releasing any tension here, and on the lower part of your back, release all stress. And into your bottom, your hips, and now your thigh muscles. Releasing all tension in your thighs, your knees, calf muscles, ankles, and feet. Any stress and tension here, you're now letting go of, sinking deeper into the bed, becoming more relaxed, more at ease. And finally, you feel your whole body as one unity, and you're going to be releasing all tension and stress that might be left over unnoticed, and you're releasing all of those muscles and becoming very, very calm. Go ahead and take a deep breath in. And another breath. And exhale slowly through your mouth. Remember to breathe deep into your belly and release wherever you notice that you have any tension. This is a great practice to be doing right before bedtime or in the morning to release any tight muscles, because your mind and your body is connected. And when you carry a lot of stress, your mind will also become a little more stressed. But by practicing this body scan meditation, you notice that also your mind is becoming very still and at ease. So go ahead and take a couple more breaths as you keep detecting any tension that might be left in your body. And you feel as if your body is becoming so light, yet in such a deep state of rest. You can now choose to open your eyes and stretch your muscles, or you can just be in this state. Either way of what you choose, this meditation is complete.